Good evening, everyone. The reason I'm on right now is if you're paying attention, AMP right now is going absolutely ballistic. Hopefully you were able to get a position within AMP. We've been in it for a few days. I added more yesterday, as I said live on air, and it was a perfect consolidatory moment, and AMP has just erupted for 64% here, and it's insanity here. I have 290 plus thousand AMP, and this just made me in this push up, I don't even want to say how much. But if you're watching this right now, AMP is going absolutely nuclear right now. It's just 64%, and it had a perfect consolidation, and it looks like here that we're gonna start to make some. We're gonna have to consolidate at some point here, but the volume's coming in very strong. And it looks like we're going to start to make a run up here, at least for right now, up to like this 1.5 cents. That would finish off this very short-term cup here. But it's going to come up to this resistance here is what I've been trying to wait for the last few days, up to that 2.2 cents, because it feels like it's going to explode out of here. The volume is the highest it's been in some time here when you go into the monthly. It's actually on par with some of the bigger months that it had here from March of this year, 104 billion when it made that massive move. Right now it's got 83 billion in November, and now in December it's got 10 billion in volume already, and we're only in the, what are we on, the second right now, or the third? So major volume coming into AMP, and this could be the time where AMP finally makes this play back up to around that 2 cent mark from earlier this year. And then if it can break out of this massive consolidation, it would be interesting, because you clear this chart. Okay, just to give you a little interpretation of what's going on here, I put this out here and I can't get on my tablet because my son's falling asleep and I want to make sure I'm here for him. But I wanted to show this real quick. We broke out of the short-term consolidation, and now we've come up, and I anticipate here to 1.5 cents roughly that we should come up to. I mean, we're very close to it right now. And then I would anticipate after it comes up around this area, we would have to come back and likely back test this about 0.009, unless we just run unabated all the way up to 2.2 cents. So right now, if we add with the evidence we have in front of us, you basically have something like this. So now we need to break out of this. This is the resistance that's in front of us. So right now we're in between that. So if we get sandwiched in between here and the support below, that's the way to look at it. If you look at it in the weekly, it'll be a little bit easier to see what we're going for here. You've had that uptrending support, and the volume is just starting to surge in here from a weekly perspective. It's looking fantastic here. This week it's starting to look strong here already. It's only Tuesday, remember. So it's not even into Wednesday. So good amount of volume coming in too. So obviously, if you're in this, I mean, we're having a surge in volume. Looks like a beautiful candle. We'll have some consolidation here. We'll see if it can get above like that 147.15, or if it comes back down to that 0.009. But it's been a huge consolidation here. So just monitor your risk and expect a consolidation here, but big gains here. Big gains here today. And just stay transparent within your own portfolio of what your monitor, your risk is, your risk reward and what you want to do. If you're in, like for me, I put so much in, it's gone up this much. I'll probably take 50%. I'll probably take 50% those gains. So I'll take whatever I'm up. So, we'll see what happens here. But I can't tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Nor am I telling you to even sell out, because it's probably not done here. Obviously, long term, I don't think it is. But gains are gains. And then you can move it into something else, or you can put it in your pocket and just say, holy crap, I had a win. What a day. Or you can stay with it and see what the future has to hold.